Alright, we're back at it. We're gonna have a good one of these times, by golly. It's a really good at making me want to come back. Because that was that last one. Kinda rough. Kinda rough. But it's fine though. We got a gambling shrine. We like gambling. Oh, I also got access to my favorite item for fun. Oh no. Again? Again? Again. Not that I would complain. But again? I want some movement speed, honestly. I'm tired of moving so slow. Shredder. What? What? Okay. Ignore that terrible aim. Not gonna talk about it. Oh, I need to be talking, don't I? Man, when I learn to edit, it's gonna be a lot easier to just to get out of those awkward little pieces where I just forget to talk. It's gonna be great. Going from like 0 production value to 1 production value. That's what's gonna happen. It's gonna be great. But right now, I barely managed to figure out the audio, and that took like 30 to 40 minutes to figure out even how to do audio, where I didn't have a weird audio glitch going on. We'll get there one day in the far, far future. What's in here? Another crowbar. No, we couldn't have that for the one that we needed it on. Let's do it on the one that doesn't matter. Yeah, who doesn't need the crowbar? That's what we'll give it to you. Get out of here. Ruined my last run. Such a beautiful run. Lost because some lucky snipe hitting the explosive barrels. I mean, seriously, what are the odds of that? Let's go look at these other boxes. Stun grenade. Yeah. Movement speed would have been great, but I'd rather have the stun grenade. Overall, it's not a bad set of items. I'd get different green happily, but this isn't bad. Tougher Times Teddy Bear. Pretty spicy. I don't know if we've seen that one yet. We unlocked it where I died 5 times, but beside the point. Besides the point. We don't want to talk about it. We don't talk about that. That time. Mm-mm. For all intents and purposes, I've never died. What are you talking about? Oh, equipment. That's nice. Dude, why am I winning this? equipment is helpful though. I will not complain about the equipment. It is so strange that I win those gamblings so often. Should I complain? No. But I need the item that comes from not being good at gambling. Once I have that item, I'll stop worrying about how many times I win or lose those. Oh, if you never noticed, every one of the items you get attaches to you. In some form or way of fashion. And whenever you equip it, you'll see it like pop up on your body. If it's a unique item, if it's a new one. But if you already like 3 of them, it doesn't change anything. Like I've got only 1 syringe, but I've got 3 shoved in my leg, or is it 4? It's 4. What do we got up here? Bars, T-bomb, sprint speed. See, attached to my hip. That one on my ankle, like shin guard. Is that his? That's his shin. Yeah. Anyway, we can go through the portal now. Okay, we're good. Seven whites and a green. Not terrible. Not terrible. And an equipment. Can't forget about the equipment. That should make this fight a little bit easier. I love how I said that, and then I get greeted with this big old dude. One of the hardest ones to fight. Oh, oh! I don't have any healing, do I? I have 0 healing. That's not great. Healing? Maybe? No. It's money. I like money. But I also need some healing things. Not even a healing drone. Got nothing. These guys alone, little floaty guys, are not that dangerous. They're whatever. But build up in bundles of them, they're annoying. And they can really destroy you. All my soldier syringes. If I'd had the critical hit plus the soldier syringe thing I had going on, this would have been easy games. Or even just the stun grenade. Just a stun grenade. Oh! That's 4 characters. See? Just playing the game, you'll get these characters. There are some that are harder to get, obviously, but for the most part, they're not too bad to get. So we'll finish off this guy. I want to get at least 1 decent run. I feel like I've not given him enough of a proper debut. You fight me. Oh, he's not that good. Keep dying with him. It's not the character. It's me. I'm the one. Ooh. 160. Thankfully got some new spawns around me. Is it enough? It is. Ooh. Okay. This is a really nice one. Ready to go? On my belt. Stealing the elite's powers, which is very helpful. So if you get like a fire elite, you can temporarily do the fire elite's ability where you do fire. That one's pretty self-explanatory. It's a very nice one. That's officially late game. It's a very nice item. But it's our second red. Free cheers for red number 2. Something's being loud. There we go. There we go. Thanks for the boost. It's a painful boost, but a boost nevertheless. It's a red box. Quite a few boxes over this way, though. My gunner turret. You see that little frost effect on that bullet? And there's not as many elites around. That item doesn't really seem that great. But whenever it's like all elite enemies, it really does come in handy. I think we can get the banner. I want the big chest first. New item that we unlocked. We now inflict fire. Oh, it's here. Ooh, should I get the healing though? I kind of need the healing. But I want the fireworks so bad. Nah, fun over smart. This is the one that I really enjoy. Not 'cause it's crazy good. Nothing like that. It's just fun. So anytime I interact with something, I can find something to interact with. I already went over this way. I think I have. Let me just go check real quick. I definitely did, didn't I? Yep. I'll find something else. Here we go. It fires off rockets, and they kill stuff for me. And once you get like even 3 of them, it is a absolute display. And I was talking about like whenever you're in the late game, you don't want to stand around and fight stuff. You get like 3 rockets, and you can start the chain reaction that I was like talking about with all the items, and then boom. But it became my favorite whenever I got like 14 of them from a printer. And it would just, you'd open one thing and it'd go on for like a solid 30 seconds of just pure fireworks. There we go. It's so simple. It really is. I just enjoy it. Let's see. I do need to find something that heals me though. I know I didn't pick the item that healed me, but I do need something to heal me though. Not helpful. Also, not helpful. But I am getting kills outside of combat. I'm not even having to fight anything, and I'm getting kills. There's gotta be more. There's gotta be more. Really? I guess I found out quite a bit of items. I just figured there'd be more. Well, it's fine. Let's see what we got. Steel Queen. Ow. Great thing right out. Hmm. We're crazy. We're absolutely nuts. We're also terrified. Run away! Run away! Oh! And the elite thing does heal a little bit whenever I kill the right elite. So it's the items are just a little bit of everything. Oh. Okay. And that'll heal me up to full. So I do have a healing method, which is good. Up into the fuel cell, that will allow me to have 2 equipment charges. That's why there's a 1 above my equipment. Oh. There we go. And now, we skedaddle out of here. This will be a good one. I shouldn't have said that. I gotta stop saying that. No, you're kidding me. That is so taunting. That is so taunting. Wow. That's painful. So chest there. A selective chest there. There's a bucket. Kill them wisps for me. Killed something. Nope, killed all of them, I think. Not the wisp though. Unfortunate. Okay, a couple boxes up here. 2 I've seen. Uh-oh. Ow. There. We can afford that first box now, I think. I like having that movement speed out of combat. It's actually really helpful. Hey, a healing item. This is an elite though. There we go. I guess I could afford the medical one now. Oh my goodness. So distracting. I do gotta go get I gotta get it now though. I'm in a little bit peaceful moment. Nothing crazy. I'm not anything crazy, am I? Nope. That's not a bad item though. Can't complain. Is this fun guy? Tough Time Teddy Bear is like one of the best items, so. Just like for power wise, it's just sometimes you just don't take damage. Simple as that. No catch. Just a random chance to just not take damage. It's very good. Hang on, let me see if I can. Nah, not enough. I gotta run all the way back around. Darn. Why must I loot so ineffectively? It's at New Vegas. Sprint. at that. That was hardly any money though. Look at all that burning. Let's go check over here. I haven't even gone down there yet. Oh my goodness, I gotta go faster. Anything? Really? Nothing? Nada? Great. What's in here? Ooh. Do you like saw blades? These, I'll show you with the boss. There's no need to waste them. Oh, I can waste one. See this guy? No, you don't. Okay. These things, they're mountain shrines. That's just what they're called. It gives you an area of healing. It's only really good if it's in the teleporter area, in my opinion. You can pay more, make it increase the radius, but it's never really worth it as it's next to the teleporter. That's when you need the healing. See that back there? Useless. Ow. Ow. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't want to fight. Good God. We're all down here. That one worked. Usually you want to be point blank for that stuff. It's a little shotgun spread of piercing saw blades. So if you're like right next to a boss or on top of them or something, it's huge damage. It's a shredder. Rate of whip. Nice, but not what I need. I'll take another one. Oh, it's a golden pylon. We had one of those before, and I choked. We'll do it this time, though. Trust. Oh, and we got a missile? Just trust. It's ours now. That's helpful. Hello, everyone. How's it going? Let me get up here and move behind for a second. Get some cash money going on. They want to get awful close. We're going to enact some social distancing again. Another mountain? You're kidding me. Well, that took the place of like 3 of the things that have been far more important. But it's fine. Who needs effective items? We can just have useless ones. It's so much better. Let's go activate this thing. I think I have enough. There we go. I am curious. I think I know what this one does. I don't know if I remember correctly though. Where is it? Nice early damage. Oh! Too early. I need that though. Yeah, I take that damage. Then I'm gonna kill you. Ability. And get up here. Extra fire ray. There we go. I need a second though to breathe. What is this one? Ooh, oh. See, them gold items, they're like boss specific. So that guy's ability just became mine. Where I can suck in health, which is huge for my healing problem. Okay. I'm trying to remember what the gold orb does. It's a portal, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Let's see what it does. Let's see. I don't count this as a secret. It's pretty much spoon-fed it to me. And it wouldn't take a genius to figure out, because they would just buy it, and then do this. Let's get a look here. Hidden Realm. Gilded Coast. That's a Elite Lumerian. Haha! Fun! Did he bleed? Okay. Oh, and the Stone Titan. Oh, and we're summoning in the Lumerians. Oh, another elite one. Good golly, this is gonna be a great little level, isn't it? Oh my gosh. This is not great. Do I buy these things? It looks like I buy them. I don't see anything else to spend my money on. Ow. Please back off. They're not being very hospitable here at the Gilded Coast. Okay, is the other one dead? I'm just gonna start buying these. Oh, of course. No, what else would have been there? Haha. Oh, it didn't work, did it? Ah. Ow. Are there any crates in this area? Probably not. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not the best. Okay. I'm just gonna run around and buy these things. There are some boxes hanging around in the water. What's that? I don't know. Oh, it's a dead Lumerian. Oh. It's here. Whatever area of the night. Ow. I'm just keep buying these. What's out here? Kinda looking for any boxes or items. Here we go. Huge. We got another box on this side. We got a box right here. Okay, so they were hiding these boxes out here in the area. And I'm glad I'm getting them. They're helping. Oh my goodness. Hello everyone. How's it going? And goodbye. Interesting. Interesting. Is that all the items? Might be all the items. Oh, the gold things were off. Did they wear off at the time? Immune. Okay. I have to buy all these. Make him not immune. Maybe. That'd be a cool mechanic. Ah. So it was that. Sweet. Well, let's get closer. And mess him up. Uh-oh. I imagine that's not good. He hurts. Or something else hurts. Something is hurting. That was almost a killer move. Nice. Okay, so I did get a drop. Summon aerial light with a teleporter event. Ooh! We always like a little free item area. See, this is a run I can let my boy Soldier die on, and like move on to another character. This is a good run. Even if we don't like win, it's a good run. Dang it, there was a box up there. Not a box, a barrel. I've gotten some pretty good items. Can't lie. Ah. Welcome. Enjoy your 50-something stacks of bleed. Hey there. Haha. Hello. Could you not be there? Oh no. Oh no, it's back. I have to. Uh-oh. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. It's fine. There is fall damage, and it does scale. Should we get us out on the way? Whew. That was risky. Adios. Ooh, a healing drone. That'd be nice. I do kind of need money, though. Maybe I need to fight these guys. Oh, he's here. He is. He has arrived. Die. Maybe. Thank you. I need you stun locked, my friend. There's a non-lethal area. Haha. It's so funny. There's another one? Haha. There we go. Wasn't this where the drone was? Yeah. Little funny little thing I'll show you. A little bit of a teaser. Legendary chests. Okay, I gotta backtrack a little bit. Find some items. The breaks are short-lived. And the money goes fast. That's a new drone, missile drone. If you can't guess what that one does. I don't know what to tell you. I guess I can tell you it shoots missiles. I know. Kind of crazy. There's a big box down there. So couple big boxes. That'll be good. Let me get up top first, though. And there's him. One fuel array. Do you have a fuel array? No. So we don't get that guy yet. Spoiler alert, it is guy. It is a guy. Or, character. I shouldn't say guy. Ooh. How much do these ones cost? Okay, I can afford them. Just do this real quick. Oh, it's coming. Ow. Oh, they were all elites, that's why. Wait, those people died? It's crazy how powerful you can feel and die so fast. There's no guarantee of any survival. I will inevitably be one shot. Or two shot. To death. It is inevitable. Ow. See, stuff like that. That'll kill you. There was that big chest somewhere around here. There it is. Ooh. Reduce all cooldowns. Very nice. Another healing daisy. Very, very good. Alright, we're gonna get that one legendary chest, and we'll be good. I'll start the teleporter then after that. We're gonna be inevitably the hardest segment of difficulty, which is haha forever. Just you get to let yourself feel powerful for a second. See with that elite stealing thing? Yeah. Do I have enough? Nope, 48. This will be enough. There we go. What's it gonna be? Ooh. My dash. It's got even better. Some movement. Yeah, the red tiers are definitely your best. No trade-offs. Best no trade-offs. And, I mean, I guess you could say the yellows are better. It really just depends. Is this one I haven't opened yet? No, I have not opened it yet. And it was more fireworks. Let's go find that portal. I know it's around one of the edges. I can zoom around the map now, though. Not really as fast as you would like, but still a pretty decent speed. Here it is. Here's the portal. Ooh. And a turret we can buy during the event. Ah! There's a few of them. But the guy's here to play. That's cool. He's getting hurt though. But I'd rather them target him than me. So I'm chilling. He can be sacrificed for the greater good. He lived though. Wow. Look at him go. Hang on. You've got this. Oh man. We can life support the squid turret. No! No! He's dead. This guy's cool. He's killing it. No, you've got him. You got him. You got him. Man. What a legend. No, I'll obliterate first. I want the boss to be the last thing I do to unlock a character. So I won't do the boss yet. They're going after that wisp. They do not like that wisp. Do I have a missile launcher already? I've got one. I don't even have the ukulele yet? I thought I did. I don't even have the ukulele yet. Wow. I'm missing out like a whole thing of damage. You're at the point where it doesn't really matter where you stand. People are gonna come to you. I need that. I guess I don't even have one of those yet. No, I did. I did. I'm silly. I knew I did. I just looked over it. Hmm. Oh, it's the grandparent. He's just one of the bosses. But right now he's in his like not boss form. One more debuff and I'll finally activate that useless item for the death mark. Oh, hello. There's two of them. easy. There we go. We're gonna... We're gonna run. We're gonna run, that's what we're gonna do. Oh no. The temptation. I mean, I have to. I have to. I have to. It's obligation. Ah. It's so peaceful. Nothing bad could ever happen when it's this peaceful. If I could hear that explosion, I imagine it's much louder on the other end. Another syringe? We're gonna kill this thing real quick. Uh-oh. You're trying to summon the sun. I dodged. What? What? Adios. Like a summoner build, just only using drones, turrets, and whatnot. Maybe crazy build. Too bad it's not a build you can control like other games. It's just like if it happens, that'd be cool. There we go. Grab that. Grab that. There's another one there. That was a barrel. Something's angry behind me. What's going up here? The up top area should be the last little area that I haven't looked for items. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Man, commentary has ran dry. More fireworks, let's go. Look how many more there are now. Another box. It's already starting chain reactions. I don't know what they were going for. Another missile turret. Another lore. I can't even afford the lore. I can't afford the lore! No! Oh. I see some boxes down here. Another crowbar. More fireworks, let's go. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. This isn't ideal. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is... Oh, wow. Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh-huh. Right. No, that makes total sense. 100% makes sense. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm.